All right, y'all, it is time again for another Covert Edition Midnight Expedition. I got Austin with us. We're going to go check it out. He and I like to go put our eyes on them and kind of put our minds together about how to make it the next best one yet. So here we are, and we have XLT Limiteds, Platinums galore, and then you have this hideous four-wheel drive. Look at those wheels. I mean, like Austin's behind me cracking up because of that hideous wheel. And then look on the inside, like the only Expedition on the lot with cloth seats. I mean, you got some work to do.
Yes, sir.
Today, here at Akins and Wild Willies, Real Deals bringing you Midnight Covert Expedition action. We sold the Stormtrooper Covert Edition in 6 hours, literally, and then we sold the Redline Edition in just a couple days, so we know this one's gonna drop fast. Let's go. So I hope everyone's doing great today. We really did this one backwards, and this should have been the very first one because we know that this Midnight package is a hit across the country. So the Redline was kind of risky doing it first, but I just wanted to make a bold statement with that particular package. This one here is a home run as well. Let's get right to it. So here next to us, conveniently, this was not scripted. We have a Akins Loner Expedition XLT in the same form this one was when we first got our hands on it. It had this particular 20-inch wheel. It had the fixed running board, and you see chrome throughout, chrome across the entire top there. Rear, obviously the blue emblem, and then up front we're on a 3-inch ready lift SST mid-level lift kit. It's a 3-inch lift in the front, 2 in the back via a spacer, and great components from Ready Lift with great warranty and backing. Now up front, notice what we just discussed on the stock one and how everything was truly blacked out, and that's our Midnight, y'all. It looks so amazing doing the body color on this horizontal bar there, as well as your back plate and the chrome horizontal bars. And then on the emblem combo, this is all texture removed and done completely black. And this is actually not chrome, that's silver. So the silver really keeps it in the Midnight theme, but enables the Ford emblem to really be bold and stand out. The headlights, obviously you notice too, were chrome, just like these are the red and the white, and lots of chrome throughout. The entire backing of this headlight was black, so we removed all that and did black there, and still have a legal functional side marker there, so everything's legit. And actually, let's go back to this other one. I gotta show you something. So here's the factory headlight on the silver one. Notice that the lower is like a projector, and then you got a high HID for your high beam. So this is not as good as far as light output, but look what we did. We actually modified your low beam headlight to be a HID projector too, just to improve the overall visibility and satisfaction of the great customer that purchased this vehicle. So we also improved the looks of the headlight, but also the safety and improved light output. Down here on this area surrounding your fog light, this is a texture black component, as I just showed you. We removed that and made that just look more premium. We're all about enhancing the already great, making it more premium. Then also gloss blacked your lower rocker plate there, and then your lower valence, we removed it, but this bottom part is like a gray color, as you see right there on the front as well. So we basically removed texture on that and did body color there, blacked out the tow hook, so the true, didn't leave anything out front end. And removing that valence gives it a more taller appearance, because let's be honest, I know you guys want us to come at you with a taller suspension than just 3-inch, but the 3-inch, this is a great balance for an everyday driver Expedition variant, that if you think that's a little bit too much mundane, go with this option here. And this is 4-wheel drive too, keep that in mind. This thing can go off-road and give you some fun and satisfaction. Our wheel and tire combo choice, obviously, you know we love the fuel Rebels, y'all, so we had to throw with the Rebel on an Expedition finally. So 20x9 plus 18 offset on the fuel Rebel, 285, 65, 20. On the Ridge Grappler, it's almost a 35, not quite. Mild to wild scale, because of the plus 18, we are if we're sticking out, it's 1/4 of an inch, y'all. It's not much at all, but that enables us to have full clearance, no trimming or modifying on our inner fender well, so everything fit and finish is great there. And you know that they say that the power running boards on this big of a tire setup is not possible, but we like to make things work, y'all. So we actually trimmed and modified this power board as far as overall length to where it would work with this setup. And then of course they fold out ever so nicely. On the inside, this XLT had cloth, so we took the opportunity to put a nice custom leather interior package that just really accentuates the overall theme of this beautiful Midnight. And up front as well, I want to show you perforations, your nice side bolsters done up in that really nice double tech stitch in the contrast stitching. Great amenities inside, backup camera, lane keep assist, and more. And I love this side stance shot right here. This is one of my favorite shots of all of our customer reviews. You can really see that nice side profile, which just looks phenomenal. That power board makes the vehicle look definitely taller, as well as doing that, removing the valance and doing everything body color throughout is just a true home run in my opinion. Now out back, I don't know what's more popular to me or my favorite, the front or the rear. They both look phenomenal. Out back, we got rid of the chrome on your horizontal bar there. Custom emblem with the silver forward script, and headlights and tail lights. So you saw how well the headlights look. The tail lights to me are just as money out back. So body color throughout, but kept all the components, the nice little subtle reflective portion around the perimeter, and the light up portion that the light emits has been left alone. So 100% legal, 100% legit. Oh my gosh. The stock number for this vehicle, it is available as of today. It's the 10th of August 2021. MEA 10414 is the stock number, and here is our Midnight Covert package options. The lift kit we discussed, wheels and tires, Lumar tent, power running boards, the Midnight paint package, which is phenomenal, WeatherTech floor mats, and spline key with lock and lug nut, $77,942. So this vehicle is for you customers that are looking at a Platinum Expedition and just want something that's a little more custom, a little more unique, a little more bad to the bonus, if I must say myself. Truly love the all blackout package. And as far as the price point, you get so much more custom options and a great unique ride for a overall great price point and a great discount you can expect from Akins. So that's it for today, y'all. Another Covert Expedition. Probably didn't think you'd be hearing us say that, but we've been killing it with these Expedition Covert editions, y'all. I'd like to get to an Everest. I know there's a lot of you out there that want to see a 4 or 6 inch lifted, and I'm right there with you. I'd like to throw a really aggressive wheel and tire combo on one and raise it up even taller, but these, just like our F-150 Coverts and our Ram Coverts, these are can't miss diamonds because they have great everyday drivability and they look phenomenal. So stay tuned for everything custom right here at Willies at Akins and Real Deal Nick. You know I'm your guy. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.